Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing whether to create a new Microsoft account or link one you already own. This matters because Xbox Live ties purchases, friends, and saves to that account. Once ready, sign in on your Xbox or go to the Microsoft account creation flow on your PC. Enter your email, create a secure password, and add a phone number for two-step verification. This protects your profile and enables recovery. Make sure your device is online and up to date so the service can verify credentials immediately. Next, you pick a gamer tag. This is your public identity, so choose something memorable. If taken, the system suggests variants. Then configure privacy and communication settings. Decide who can message you, see your activity, or join games because these rules control safety and social access. Add a payment method if you intend to buy subscriptions or games, otherwise skip, and use free features like party chat and multiplayer trials. Make sure to verify your email and phone to finalize account trust and unlock full functionality. Finally, activate subscriptions and redeem any codes by entering them in the store. This immediately grants access to multiplayer or Game Pass libraries. Sign into your console or PC and confirm Cloud Sync so saves and achievements appear across devices. If you run into problems, start by checking your password and two-step verification prompts, then verify network connectivity and ensure your Microsoft account isn't suspended. If issues persist, remove and re-add the account on the device. This refreshes tokens and often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.